a life of evangelical and Franciscan service. His very life touched us deeply. Now that he is gone from our world, we will cherish the memories he left us, forever etched in our hearts as a brother, a friend, and a father hero. The following account is a humble attempt to tell the story of a friar in chronological order, simply called Harry. This is an incomplete chronicle, for his life is truly woven into the fabric of our stories and joyful memories of this extraordinary friar. Father Harold Stolz Geers OFM was born on September 23, 1932 in Cincinnati, Ohio, to his loving parents, Joseph Geers and Laurette Stolz. His early education began at St. Clement's School, followed by his high school years at St. Francis Seminary, both located in his home state of Ohio. Answering a spiritual calling to the Franciscan way of life, he pursued his college education at Don Scotus in Detroit, Michigan. He completed his deep theological preparation across state lines, studying at Holy Family in Ohio and St. Leonard's in Indiana. Father Harold formally entered religious life by making his temporary profession as a friar minor on August 16, 1952. Followed by his solemn profession exactly 3 years later on August 16, 1955. On June 7, 1960, he reached a monumental milestone when he was ordained a priest. To better serve God's people, he enriched his ministry by attending specialized programs, including the Franciscan Internship Program, the Spiritual Director Institute, and the Formators Institute. A lifelong missionary and pastoral journey. Father Harold's extensive pastoral and chaplaincy ministries spanned several decades, deeply impacting communities in both the United States and the Philippines. Early pastoral ministries from 1961 to 1985. He began his pastoral ministry in 1961 as a parochial vicar in Batesville, Indiana. The following year, his long-standing mission to the Philippines commenced. He spent decades serving as a parochial vicar across Leyte, ministering to the faithful in Nepal from 1962 to 1968, in Maripipi from 1969 to 1971, and from 1981 to 1985, and Kabungayan from 1971 to 1980. Chaplaincy and leadership in Palo from 1985 to 2019. In 1985, Father Harold transitioned to chaplaincy work in Palo Leyte, a region that would become central to his life's work. During this era, he briefly balanced his responsibilities by serving as a chaplain at San Juan Nepomuceno Parish in Biliran, Leyte, from 1989 to 1992. From 1992 onward, he dedicated his life to the Franciscan Handmaids of the Lord, APHL in Palo Leyte. He took on various focused roles within the community, including serving as a chaplain from 1998 to 2001, and returning as a chaplain from 2001 to 2019. In 2008, he also served at the San Vicente Ferrer Parish in San Pablos, Cebu City. the founder and confessor era, from 2019 and present. Entering a profound final chapter of his ministry, Father